Hello everyone. Hello everyone. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Rahul Patil, and today's video topic name is array, and today's date is 16 August 2022. Array. For example, now we one class in one class 50 students, and we can store these 50 students roll numbers in array. Now these 50 students roll number stores into the these variables, and we can these variables to create the 50 statements. Imagine the 100 statements, we can store only one variables to roll numbers of students. And in other hands the these 50 statements, which these 50 statements we can create in 50 variables, and these 50 variables we can store in one variables, and this is very useful for us. And this variable is called as an array. This variable is called an array. Array is a single array is a single collection. Array is a collection of array is a collection of similar data type, which elements contiguous memory location, and the which in array index will in array is indexized, and index will start with 0. And C++, in C++, the size of length we can create to element of members. And in C++ we can use to element of size of elements. And in Java, in the features or properties, this is not like this, not like in like size sorry in Java programming, the features and properties anonymous of array, which not like in C and C++. Advantages. Advantages. In advantages, code optimization. The code will be optimized. In code optimization, we can retrieve and sort the data, and random access. We can access the data access the data which can index position. Disadvantages. Size limit. We can create in the array, this can fix size of arrays, and we can change this size in runtime. This is not possible, and this possible in collection of arrays, collection framework in Java. And this grows changes for this in collection framework. These changes will be possible. The types of arrays: types of arrays. Single type array. In single type array, in combination of rows and columns. And second one is multidimensional array. In multidimensional array, it includes two types of arrays: two-dimensional and three-dimensionals. And arrays is combination of several data types. Is a combination of several data types, and it several data types. It combination of several elements. And for example, the two-dimensional array combination of single-dimensional array. And the array variables are there in class. Array variables in two types. Int a, first one int a in square bracket equals to 50, 60, 70, and second one is int b in square bracket is equal to direct length of b dot length. This can be accessed to direct length. And that's from on my side. Thank you.